Some isotopes are actually radioactive, so they emit radiation, which is really quite dangerous. And there's actually different types of radiation. There's alpha particles, there's beta particles, and there's gamma rays. So different types of radioactive isotopes can and do emit different types of radiation. So just to go through the three different types of radiation. So an alpha particle, this is the symbol for an alpha particle. That's the symbol for alpha. This is a symbol for a beta particle. It's the beta symbol. This is a symbol for a gamma particle. And they're different. So there's three different types of radiation, or radioactive isotopes emit different types of radiation. An alpha particle, it's very similar to, it's basically a helium nucleus, which means it's got 2 protons and 2 neutrons. It's got a charge, because it's got 2 protons, it's got a charge of +2. These actually travel fairly slowly, alpha particles, so they're quite big radiation. They've got a low penetrating power, so what that means is that they're stopped by a sheet of paper or, in fact, layers of dead skin. So stopped by paper. So all radioactivity is dangerous, but alpha particles would be the least dangerous. Beta particles are a little bit more dangerous. Again, this is a type of radiation emitted from radioactive isotopes. A beta particle, it's similar to an electron, so electrons have a charge of -1, so it's got a charge of -1. They're very fast moving. Penetrating power is medium, so they will travel into your skin, but they are stopped by a sheet of aluminium or a reasonably good chunk of wood or something like that. So they're beta particles. And gamma rays are the most dangerous radiation of all. It's just like a burst of energy. No charge. They travel at the speed of light really fast. They penetrate a very high penetrating power. They would zip through your body, mutate your DNA, possibly if they struck some of your DNA. And the only thing that can stop a gamma ray is a fairly chunky sheet of lead, so really dense material. But all these different particles, alpha, beta, and alpha particle, beta particle, gamma rays, they're all emitted by radioactive isotopes. So that's, they're different types of radiation. They're all relatively dangerous, but they do have some very handy uses too.